stop doing these 5 things when selling your home. Hi everybody, I'm Maggie. In these past couple of years, we've seen soaring home prices and interest rates, prompting many people to consider selling their homes. Last year, my team successfully listed and sold almost 30 homes for the top dollars. Based on our observations, the housing market in 2025 will bring some new challenges. If you're not well prepared, your home might end up sitting on the market for far too long. So today, I'm going to share my experience and talk about 5 things you should absolutely avoid when selling your home in 2025. Before we dive in, I'm Maggie, leader of one of Seattle's top real estate teams. Last year, we completed 148 transactions with over $180 million in total sales. Whether you are moving for work, a fresh start, or a dream home, we're here to help you make it happen. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, be careful with the fixing price strategy. Well, we've discussed this before. Pricing your home slightly below market value can attract more buyers and speak bidding wars. For instance, last year, we listed a property with a market value of around $1.05 million at a slightly lower price. This tactic attracted a lot of interest, and we ended up selling it for $50,000 to $100,000 more above the original estimate. However, this strategy isn't suitable for every situation. In areas with plenty of available homes or small pool of buyers, a low price might backfire. Buyers might try to negotiate even lower, or you may attract offers that don't meet your expectations. Well, worse, it could leave a negative impression on the market for the home. So before using a fixing price strategy, making sure to evaluate your property's condition, location, and the overall market environment. Number 2, don't skip simple renovations. Some sellers might think a clean and tidy home is enough, but small repairs and upgrades can always make a huge difference. Replacing light bulbs, repainting walls, changing carpets, or fixing floors can make your home feel well-maintained and help you fetch a higher price. Renovating key areas like the kitchen or bathroom can add tens of thousands of dollars to your sales price. For example, swapping in stainless steel appliances, resurfacing the cabinet doors, or replacing the old-fashioned tiles with reasonable price vinyl plank can yield a high return on investment. We've successfully sold a few townhomes in Seattle in fall and winter market, which is quite challenging time to sell homes, honestly, especially in Seattle City. But because we spent time replacing the floor, repainting the walls, and changing the carpet, which normally just a week or 2, we sold them in just a couple of weeks, much shorter than the average days on the market for Seattle townhomes. Remember, pre-sale renovations aren't the same as the ones you do when you move in. Focus on upgrades with the best ROI, return on investment. Spend $5,000 to potentially sell $10,000 to $20,000 more. For more ideas, check out our previous videos on pre-sale renovations. Number 3, avoid overly personalized decorations. Well, renovations can add value. Too much personalization can hurt your sale. I worked with sellers who were reluctant of removing unique decoration, thinking it added value. One seller insisted on keeping custom dark-colored walls, black countertops, and all black appliances because they loved the style. Another had rooms painted in bright-themed colors for their kids. While these choices might reflect their personality, they make it hard for buyers to imagine the house as their future home. Most buyers prefer neutral, minimalist styles that are easy to envision as their own. So if you're selling, aim for a neutral, universally appealing aesthetic to attract the widest audience. Number 4, don't skip on professional photography. Some sellers think snapping a few photos on their phones or asking a friend with a camera to help is enough. Trust me, it's not. Professional photographers bring the right equipment and expertise. From choosing the best angles and lighting to enhancing details during post-editing, high-quality photos create a strong first impression, which is crucial when buyers are browsing online. Homes with poorly taken photos often sit on the market for months, so invest in professionally cleaning and photography is money well spent. Number 5, don't miss the best time to list. In Seattle, the housing market runs a pretty clear seasonal cycle. January is when buyers start warming up. They reach out to agents and begin touring homes. Then from March to May, things really heat up. This is the peak season when homes sell the fastest and for the highest prices. But after that, things slow down in the summer. Around July to September, people go on vacations and the market gets more competitive with more homes listed. By November and December, things cool way off because of the holidays and the weather. So if you're looking to sell for the best price, you've got to aim for that sweet spot between March and May. Homes during this time sell for 4.5% to 20.6% more than in January. That's the real data from 2017 to 2022. So if selling is on your to-do list this year, don't wait. Start getting your home ready now. Repairs, staging, all those little details, they really make a difference. That's it for today. The 5 things you should never do when selling your home in 2025. After selling so many homes, I've learned that success lies in the details. Selling quickly and at the best price requires strategy, customization, and experience, not just listing the property and waiting for somebody to call. If you're planning to sell your home, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Let's start preparing to make your sale a success. I'm Maggie, and I'll see you in the next video.